Hey guys, what's up? Just wanted to jump on here really quickly and let you guys know that tomorrow is officially giveaway day. So make sure you guys join me. Subscribe to my YouTube and follow me on Instagram. All right, that way you can be entered into the giveaway. I'm giving away $100. So two people, they'll receive $50 each. So $100 total will be given away on Friday. So Friday tomorrow is going to be happening. So make sure you guys meet me here. Meet me here for the giveaway, and the winners will be announced, and I'm super excited. So make sure y'all follow me over on Instagram and simply subscribe. That's it. I'm not asking you to do anything. That's it. The winners will be chosen at random. All right. So I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Good luck.